Hello, I'm Bert Danganager, the Element Hunter. As you can see, there's tons of super fancy, super cool elements around me. Oh, Quarky, I'ma catch one so we can see what it's made of. Alright, our first element we're gonna get is a boron. There's one right over there in this natural habitat. This is the boron we have just caught. Now let's take a gander at the outer ring of electrons called the valence electrons.
I got 3 of them.
He has 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. They're all in the outer ring, so that makes them valence electrons. Now that we've caught the boron, I need something else I need something to bond it with. So I'm gonna look for a neon. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh, look at this one. I'ma catch it. Oh, it's Edgar! It's Edgar! It's Edgar! I've got an elaborate plan to catch me a phosphorus now. Ooh, Quarky, look at that one there. Ooh. Ooh, we got it! We got it! Now let's take a gander at the phosphorus's valence electrons.
I have 5, don't you know?
He has 5.
There's our boron atom, and there is our phosphorus atom.
We're gonna give him a second to ionically bond. I've never seen ionically bond before. We're gonna give him a little privacy, okay? Okay. All right. I think they're ready. Oh, look at that! Oh, what a beaut! What a beauty there!
This is a boron element. B stands for boron, and these 3 dots are the 3 valence electrons.
This is a phosphorus. You can tell it's a phosphorus by the way it is.
Alright, how boron and phosphorus ionically bond is the boron has 3 in its outer shell and it's trying to get 8, and the phosphorus has 5 in its outer shell and it's trying to get 8. So the boron's going to give 3 of them to phosphorus, and phosphorus is going to be happy, and then boron is going to follow phosphorus around. Alright, boron gave away 3 of its negative charges, just 3 of the electrons, so it's going to have a positive 3 charge because it no longer has those 3 negatives. Phosphorus gained 3 negative charges, so it's going to be negative 3. This is how you name a compound. First, you take your positive element, and then your negative element comes second. So we would write boron, phosphorus, but you just leave it at the PHOSPH because you have to add IDE, and whatever makes sense and sounds good on the word is usually what it is. So boron and phosphorus compound would be boron phosphide.
I've climbed up in this mighty tree of mine to catch some oxygen with this mighty jaw of mine. Ooh, I got it. I got some oxygen. Now let's go inspect it. We need a sulfur now. I'm gonna knock one out. Oh, Quarky, right in the sternum!
This is oxygen, has 6 valence electrons. This is sulfur, it also has 6. They're going to covalently bond, which means they both want 8 in the outer shell, so they're going to share their incomplete valence electrons. So they're going to share these 2 and these two. And what's going to happen is oxygen will gain this one and this yellow one, and it'll have 8. And sulfur will gain this one, and it'll also have 8.
It's the king cobra. I just saw this wound just a minute ago. It is the most venomous snake in all the land. It could kill a man in 10 seconds. I'm gonna pick it up.
Silent reverie, you're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort.